After more than half a century in the forest, you might think that we know nature, that we understand exactly how it works, that we've come across every imaginable task and obstacle. And yes, we would surely like to be able to say that that's the case, but it isn't really.
The damage here along the Gulf 4 days after a big storm.
We can never claim to know nature, or even say that we can overpower it. What we've learned through the years is instead to treat it with respect and be prepared to challenge the impossible. It's our heart that leads the way, by always being where the toughest challenges are, out there in the wild. And there's really no other place we'd rather be.